to keep their skin plump and youthful. So, in memory of that, we've come up with some amazing DIYs using natural and complementary ingredients for all skin types and concerns. Milk comes with a variety of benefits that are not only dietary but also great for our skin. Why resort to beauty products when we can use this super popular calcium-enriched ingredient topically? The lactic acid present in milk gently exfoliates the skin by swapping out the old dead cells for new. Infusing our skin with milk will naturally keep our skin soft, and if you use it as a cleanser, it will help remove all the dirt and impurities, revealing glowing skin. Enriched with vitamin A, milk has the potential to eliminate free radicals responsible for premature aging and pigmentation. It also rejuvenates the skin by improving its texture and moisture levels. The health and beauty benefits and properties of aloe vera are well known to all, as it has been a staple ingredient in so many skin products and regimes. For all those who have oily skin, aloe vera has been a go-to moisturizer as it hydrates the skin while keeping it non-greasy. Its acne-busting properties also calm down irritated and acne-prone skin. It's also typically used on skin inflamed due to UV exposure. Its antimicrobial properties also work towards reducing the appearance of stretch marks over a period of time. Despite many new ingredients in the market, aloe vera has stuck around for a reason, and we should continue reaping its benefits. With pollution having such a negative impact on our skin on a daily basis, we're constantly looking for ways to revive our skin. Drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water on a daily basis is the key to keep your skin super healthy. The more hydrated you stay, the lesser chances of your skin wrinkling. Increasing your water intake will help flush out all the toxins from the body, which leads to reduced puffiness and even complexion. Another simple solution to great skin lies in your freezer: ice. Skin icing is another technique that enhances penetration of the products applied onto the face. Just take an ice cube and gently go all around the parts of your face in circular motions. A dose of chill can help reduce the appearance of pores, banish under-eye bags and suntan as well. Follow up with a moisturizer and sunscreen for best results. The Greeks have been boosting their skin with the goodness of yogurt for years now. So taking some inspiration from them, eating yogurt regularly or mixing it with a few complementary ingredients and applying it on our face works wonders for our skin too. This all-round multitasker will help moisturize your skin, fight acne, reduce suntan and pigmentation. It also diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ingredients like oats, cocoa powder, honey, bentonite clay, fruits, etc. work in tandem with the properties of yogurt to make your skin healthier. Oily skin is something that most women in our country deal with on a daily basis. One common ingredient that you can keep handy is rose water. It can be used as a facial mist to rehydrate the face during the course of the day, or even added to one of your DIYs to help fight acne and control sebum production. The antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of this concoction helps balance out the pH levels of your skin and eases redness. If you're suffering from any razor burns on any part of your body, you can apply some rose water mixed with aloe vera gel on the affected area. All these ingredients are very popular, available in our kitchen closet at all times, and have been age-old techniques to achieve radiant skin. You too may follow these tips and let us know if you found them as effective as we do. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.